Now that we've broken down speech, press, and religion, it's time to look at the last two freedoms people rarely talk about, but rely on more than they realize: assembly and petition. These are the freedoms that protect peaceful protest, collective action, and your right to challenge the government directly. And without them, every major movement in American history would have been impossible. Assembly protects your right to gather. Petition protects your right to challenge the government directly. One is collective, one is direct. Both are essential. In NAACP v. Alabama, 1958, the court ruled that the government can't force you to reveal who you associate with. That's freedom of assembly. And in Edwards v. South Carolina, 1963, the court protected peaceful protest even when it was unpopular. These rulings are why peaceful protest remains protected today, even when it's controversial. Petition works the same way. In Minnesota Board for Community Colleges v. Knight, 1984, the court said you have the right to challenge the government, even if the government doesn't have to agree. Every major movement in American history, civil rights, women's rights, labor rights, used these freedoms in combination. None of them would have been possible without the right to speak, gather, and challenge power. 5 freedoms, 1 amendment, and everyone keeps power in check. No opinions, no noise, just the law explained simply. I'm Steph, and this is BTN Truth Unfiltered.